Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can clear your HHA file from your Google Chrome. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the Chrome settings here. As you can see, we have discussed about this. Now you have to write the sentence in the same way, and after writing this you have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see, all the details are provided here, like the extension, download, languages, and default browser, and all the things are here. Now as you can see, all the things and all the settings are here. The Google Chrome setting is open. Now what we have to do, we have to click on the privacy and security, or we have to click on the performance. And after clicking on the performance, you have to scroll down. Now we have to click on the privacy and security. So let's click on the privacy and security. And after doing that, what we have to do, we have to scroll this down. And as you can see, has the option for the clearing browsing data. So we have to click on this. So what we have to do, as you can see, we have to select the data. Now what we have to do, we have to select the duration that lasts over 24 hours, the 7 days, or the last 4 weeks. So we have to select this. And after selecting these, we have to click on the clear data and it will be removed. So in this way you can remove this. So I'm going to do the cancel because I don't want to remove. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.